Hey, so I'm going to show you how to install Godot 4, which you will need to follow along in the series, The Nature of Godot. First of all, open up a browser and search for Godot. Here you go. You're going to want to go to godotengine.org. I will include a link so you can go straight to where the ultimate download page is. But if you're trying to find it or find the latest version, which may not be in the link that I put, then you're going to go here. First, check download, because you're in the future. So this may be Godot 4. And if it is, just download that. If it's still 3 point something, then you're going to need to go to news, find a Godot 4 beta release, scroll down until you find the downloads. Download the standard build here, and it will take you to this scary old web looking page. Find the one for you. So if you're on Windows, you might want Windows 64. You might want Windows 32, whatever. I'm on a Mac. So you download the zip. It is a pretty small download. You're going to get a zip file. So you unzip it. Bam, you got Godot. Mine says Godot 2 because I already have a Godot on my desktop. So you don't have to install anything. It is a self-contained program. So you just unzip it. And maybe for Windows, it looks a little different, but you just unzip it. Yes, I want to open it. Cool. So I already have a project started, but you obviously won't. So this is going to be empty, which is fine. You just go new project. The nature of Godot 4. You're going to pick a path wherever you want it. And then you're going to create a folder, and we're going to use Vulkan clustered, although use whatever you want, but this is what we're going to use. And then you create and edit. It's going to say the folder is empty. So I want to actually create the folder. So now it's going to put it in that folder, create and edit. And it came up on my other screen. Bam. Now you have Godot, and there you have it. You have Godot 4, and you can follow along with all the good, juicy content.